Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Insight with Arun. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting informational videos. Today we will discuss about creating a new role on your AWS account. So for that, let's log into your AWS console and search for IAM, that is Identity and Access Management. And here you will be able to see different options related to your identity and access. So here in the access management, go to the roles. Now we need to create a new role, so click on the create role, and this role will is for the AWS service. We have a different trusted entity types mentioned here. Okay, now since we are going to use this account in our from our Snowflake to use the S3 bucket, so let's use this AWS account. And here we have the account option. So this is our default account. If we want to use another AWS account, we can use that, and click on the next. Now what role we need to assign here, that all the policies are mentioned here. So we could choose anything that we want. So let me select administrator access for now and click on the next. Specify your role name here. Let's say the role name we are giving as a Snowflake. S3. Description, you can give relevant description for what purpose we're going to use this, and click on the create role. So this Snowflake underscore S3 role is now created. I hope you like this video. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being till here.